Hello everyone. Today we will see how to do text concatenation in Excel. So let's start. This is the dataset we will use in this tutorial. In the first column we can see first name is given. In the second column last name is given. And here we have to merge this first name and second last name to generate full name. There are two ways. I will show you both the ways. First we will use a function called concat. Double clicking on that, then select first text, comma, then select second text, closing bracket. You can see both the texts are merged, but there should be a space between the two texts. So how we can do that? A5 means John, B5 means week. So after A5 and after comma, we have to give a space, and that space must be give within inverted comma. So I have given the first opening inverted comma, then space, then inverted comma close, then comma. So here we can see three things. A5 means John, space means there will be a space, and B5 means week. Now enter. You can see the full name is generated properly. Now if I drag through this, all the values will be done. So this is one way we can do text concatenation through concat function. Another way is through manually. It also works. So is after a is equal to sign, select your first text, then and, type and, then this one, enter. It is also generated that way. So we have to give a space. So A5 and there will be a space, and we know we have to give any character between inverted comma, this one, this one, and and. So now previously we uh, used comma. Now we are using and. A5 and space and B5. So now you can see the same output is generated. Now if you drag across this, you will get the entire result. So this is how we can uh, do concatenate. We can use concatenate function in Excel. That's all for today. Thank you very much.